Right, last one. Number 5. Fs equal dg. So these are same lengths. And UD is parallel to SE, so these are parallel. And these are also congruent. Okay, and measure bango 2 equal measure bango 6. Okay, so to make these congruent, you have to make these two triangles congruent. Okay, and since these are parallel, measure bango 3 and measure bango 4 are congruent by alternate interior angles. And you already have a side. So you want to make FD is congruent to GS. Then you get the side, angle, side, side, angle, side. And since these are congruent and this is shared by segment addition postulate, you can make these congruent. And then that's how you do it. Okay. So let's start with the FD equals D is the hardest one. It takes the longest. So let's just start with that. Okay. So first we start with Fs equal dg. That's given. And 2, FD equal Fs plus St, and that's segment addition postulate. You can do in the same line the other one. So GS equal dg plus St, segment addition postulate. 3, since these are congruent, you can substitute into GS equal Fs plus St, substitution property of step 1 and 2. So for FD equal GS, or segment FD is congruent to segment GS. You have to change to congruent statement if you're making triangles congruent. Okay, don't forget that. So that is again substitution property of 2 and 3. Okay, so I got the side, and let's get the angle. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Oh no, I have to say lines are parallel first. Alright, so let's say UD is parallel to SE, and that's given. So angle 3 is congruent to angle 4 by alternate interior angle theorem. Remember, corresponding angles postulate, alternate interior angle theorem, same side interior angle, also theorem. Okay, and then the other side is a given. So UD is SE, and therefore UD is congruent to SE, and that's given. So triangle FUD is congruent to triangle GES, and that is side angle side postulate. Right, side angle side. So 9 measure of angle. It's just angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, and measure of angle 2 equal measure of angle 6. You can put that on the same line, and that is CP, CTC. But you are saying corresponding parts of congruent triangles congruent, so you have to start with congruent and then change to measure. But you don't have to put this in a separate line. You can just put in the same line. Okay?